Why startups should use Flutter for their mobile application. As a startup, we want to use the cheapest and most efficient technologies to develop our applications. We want a cost-effective way to produce the best output and reach as many users as possible. Flutter clearly provides that, and in this video, we are going to see how it does that. For those who don't know about Flutter, Flutter is Google UI toolkit for building beautiful natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop, all this from a single code base. Flutter was initially released in 2017 and it uses the Dart programming language for both the UI and the logic. So, what makes Flutter special? The first thing is Flutter is beautiful and customizable. In Flutter, everything is a widget. Flutter gives you full control of the app UI by enabling you to paint every pixel on the screen. You can use both the Material Design and Cupertino widgets in your application. You can easily build beautiful and complex animations that are usually very difficult to do in a natively developed application. Flutter allows brand-driven design by maintaining the same design throughout the various platforms. A good example of such a brand-driven design app is the Netflix application, where the design is maintained from Android to iOS. The next one is Flutter is fast. Flutter compiles to native machine code and uses Kia graphic engine to display on the screens. Flutter apps runs at 60 frames per second, so you can create very complex animations in Flutter without being afraid of the speed. The next important point is Flutter is flexible and highly productive. You can easily build and test your app concept in Flutter due to a feature called stateful hot reload. This allows you to make changes to your code and see it immediately appear in your application. Flutter also allows you to structure your code in a maintainable and refactorable style, which is very important in software development. Flutter is free and open source and have a large number of developers testing and sending pull requests every day, so the framework grows so fast. More to this, Flutter is cross-platform. This means you can use the same code base to release Android, iOS, and web app. This feature is very important for startups and small companies with very limited resources. This allows you to use the same resource to reach a larger number of users. This also reduces cost of maintenance. As you know, maintenance is one of the most expensive parts of software development. So, all the points mentioned above help your startup to save budget and release faster to the market, thereby increasing your users' satisfaction and responding to their feedback. Other reasons why you should consider Flutter for your mobile applications are the fact that Flutter has a fast-growing community with a lot of tutorials and support. Flutter has more likes and is more appreciated than other cross-platforms like React Native. It is used by big companies like Alibaba, Google, BMW, Square, and many others. One thing which I consider very important for new and experienced developers is the fact that Flutter is easy to learn. Flutter uses Dart for both the UI and the logic. Flutter is fully built on the Dart programming language, which is a language developed and maintained by Google. Here are some popular apps on both Google Play and App Store developed by tech giants and startups using Flutter. These applications have millions of downloads and works smoothly on both Android and iOS. So the next question is, how can you get started with Flutter? It's easy. Flutter integrates with the popular development tool, so you just continue with the tool you feel comfortable with and visit flutter.dev to get started. Thanks for watching. I hope this was interesting and that we've touched the important points. Please feel free to drop us your questions in the comment section below and share this video with the startups which you know will benefit from this content. Don't forget to click, press or smash the subscribe button to get more of such content, and see you in the next video.